Hey guys, nature never ceases to amaze us. Today we're going to show you the most incredible and rare phenomena ever recorded by cameras. From tsunamis to the incredible dance of birds, and even a mysterious fire tornado. But first, make sure to subscribe to our channel and give this video a like. Now let's get started, shall we? Tourists capture the moment a volcano erupts in Guatemala. The footage is truly unbelievable. Well, I guess this incredible experience will be etched in their memories forever. Residents record an incredible moment as a flood sweeps everything in its path. From cars to houses, along with a lot of debris and fallen trees. The images are impressive and quite frightening. It's truly amazing the power that Mother Nature possesses. A railroad employee captures the moment a rare natural phenomenon known as ball lightning occurs. It's truly unbelievable. A resident captures the moment a mud volcano erupts in Sabah, Malaysia. The images are incredible. And that's how tourists end up at Horseshoe Bend, a large canyon in Arizona. This location is well known for its extremely high static electricity levels. That's why tourists' hair tends to float. And that's how a tree looks after being struck by lightning. Now behold the amazing bird's dance, a rare and magnificent phenomenon of animal life, recorded in Italy. It is truly beautiful to behold. Residents capture a beautiful aurora borealis in Iceland, an incredible phenomenon of nature. Rural workers capture the moment a fire tornado occurs. A very rare and also very frightening natural phenomenon. The images are chilling and surely truly incredible. Now take a closer look at the fire tornado. It is truly something spectacular. This is the amazing bioluminescence beach, which turns the sand and water blue during the night. An incredible natural phenomenon that makes everything come alive and very beautiful during the nights.
What's a weird number? 7 is pretty weird, right? Or
Tourists
7,
capture the incredible
6,
moment when a volcano
5,
erupts in Guatemala.
3, 2, Why? Nothing.
The images are impressive, and their joy is truly contagious to see. An excavator operator captures a giant snake on Isla Grande. The footage is almost unbelievable, as snakes of this size are extremely rare to capture. An incredible lightning storm at Lake Catatumbo in Venezuela. It is the demonstration of the force of Mother Nature in all its splendor. Now behold the incredible giant sturgeon, the largest freshwater fish in the world. It's extremely rare to see and to catch, as it has become a prime target for fishing due to its roe. And in this video, witness the amazing bioluminescent cave found in New Zealand. The ceiling is filled with small bright blue dots that illuminate the entire cave. Creating this beautiful and lively aspect during the nights. A fisherman captures a moment of encounter with a giant snake in a river in the Amazon. The footage is impressive. A mother films the moment when lightning strikes near her son, who was playing in the rain at the time. Cameras capture the moment when lightning strikes a tree. Causing it to fall onto part of the house. The footage is truly remarkable. Tourists film the moment they capture an enormous lobster. At first, the animal appears stranded on the beach, and then locals rush to capture it. Well, do you think this video is real or fake? Leave your opinion in the comments below. This is the famous spider lightning, an extremely rare phenomenon to witness. And this is how the major floods begin. Terrifying and destroying everything in their path in small riverside towns. Have you ever seen what large sandstorms look like? Well, watch now. The images are incredibly terrifying. Now witness the moment when the Sakurajima volcano erupts in Japan. The footage is impressive. And of course, quite terrifying. No one was injured. However, volcanic ash was ejected to over 9,000 feet in altitude. A man records the moment when he triggers a small avalanche while skiing aggressively in the snow. The footage is impressive. And he narrowly avoids being swept away by the avalanche. Tourists capture the moment when a large avalanche occurs on the adjacent mountain. The images are spectacular. They're terrifying, yet also a unique experience. A resident records the exact moment when a meteorite enters the Earth's atmosphere, producing a thunderous noise. The footage is truly unbelievable. A vehicle's camera captures the moment when another meteorite enters the Earth's atmosphere. The images are striking. Residents film the moment when a large whirlwind passes through their city. Truly, Mother Nature is incredible. Retailers capture the moment when strong winds and heavy rains destroy several tents in the center of Rio de Janeiro. The images are impressive. Residents of the city of Bursa, in Turkey, record an incredible cloud of strange shape in the sky. This cloud, known as a perpendicular cloud, is considered an extremely rare natural phenomenon, with very few ever seen to date. This cloud is truly strange, but beautiful at the same time. In Canada, the release of methane gas is an indication that permafrost ice is thawing. And since methane does not dissolve in water, it forms bubbles that rise to the surface, giving rise to these incredible ice sculptures. We're nearing the end of another video, so be sure to subscribe to our channel if you enjoyed the content, and watch more videos like this by clicking on the video that's appearing below. Until next time.